The eLinkSmart Fingerprint Door Lock offers a blend of modern technology with 5 different unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition and passcode entry, providing versatile access options for your convenience. Constructed from durable alloy steel and zinc, this keyless entry lock enhances security for various settings, such as bedrooms and apartments, ensuring robust protection for your private spaces. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring only a screwdriver and no additional drilling, making it a hassle-free upgrade for both left and right-handed doors. The electronic door lock is designed for efficiency with its low power consumption, offering a battery life that lasts up to 1 year and includes a low battery alert feature. In case of emergencies, the lock allows for power bank connectivity to ensure continued functionality even if the battery is depleted. eLinkSmart backs its product with excellent customer support, offering a 12-month free trial and lifetime technical assistance to address any concerns you might have.